Well, I think that Gemalto has been participating over the last 5 to 10 years actually in the technological settlement of the industry for mobile payments in particular and for mobile commerce. We have gained a lot of experience. We have had more than 50 commercial deployments with telecom operators. We have had over 50 commercial deployments as well with banks. We have gained a lot of experience, and we've seen things that work and things that doesn't, and I think that we are trying to now use all that experience to go to the next step. So besides that, what is happening as well is that technologies are consolidating. We have had a lot of swings in the market from a technology point of view, from what was possible with new introductions, from Google introducing new technologies, and with handset manufacturers introducing new technologies, and now we have a range of 4 or 5 technologies that enable actual deployment of mobile payment. That is a good thing because it gives options. On the other side is a lot of complexity for managed for service providers, and what we try to do ourselves is to mask that technology, take care of that technology, and propose as many of those technical possibilities in a very simple way for banks and other service providers to take the leap and adopt the technology and reach as many consumers as possible, as fast as possible. I think that from a user perspective, now mobile payment is becoming a reality. That's clear. It's very clear in the US as well, and it's coming to other regions. Today it is already possible for end users to get to a commerce, and rather than taking their wallet and taking their cards out and making that payment, just simply take their phone, approach it to the point of sales and completing a payment. That is a reality today, and that's going to become widespread. It's going to extend to other countries, and it's going to go beyond the limited reach that it has today very fast. Plus, I believe that we have now a bar for what respects to that user experience. We have seen some very good user experience that consumers are liking, and that's probably going to set as a standard. So that experience of just approaching and tapping without having to do a lot of browsing on the phone, that's something that will consolidate and that people aim. Beyond that, what we are going to see over time is added value on top of the basic payment experience. We are going to see how the different players find ways of making user-friendly additions to that basic payment user experience by the combination of coupons, combination of offers, loyalty, etc., etc. But it has always to be very user-friendly. The experience has to be very streamlined, and we are getting very quickly to that.